What is generative AI? Imagine asking a computer to write a song in the style of your favorite artist, design a brand new skyscraper, or code an entire video game, all in a matter of seconds. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is the reality of generative AI. But what actually is generative AI, and how does it work under the hood? Let's break it down. Traditional AI versus generative AI. For decades, artificial intelligence was mostly about analysis. Traditional AI, often called discriminative AI, was built to sort, classify, and predict. It's the engine behind spam filters, recommendation algorithms, and image tagging. It looks at data and tells you what it is. Generative AI, on the other hand, does something entirely different. It creates. Instead of just analyzing existing data, it learns the underlying patterns of human output, whether that's text, pixels, audio, or code, and uses those patterns to synthesize brand new content that has never existed before. How does it actually work? At its core, generative AI relies on advanced machine learning, specifically deep neural networks trained on massive datasets scraped from across human history, billions of web pages, books, images, and audio files. Tools like large language models don't think the way humans do. Instead, they operate on advanced statistical prediction. When you give an AI a prompt, it calculates the most mathematically probable next word, pixel, or note based on everything it has learned. It's like an advanced version of predictive text on your smartphone, scaled up to an industrial level. It recognizes that after the phrase "once upon a time," a certain set of words is statistically likely to follow, allowing it to weave entirely unique narratives. The power and the challenges. The applications are sweeping across nearly every industry. In business, automating customer service, scaling marketing workflows, and rapidly prototyping operational strategies. In finance, analyzing complex market trends, automating risk assessment, and generating comprehensive financial models. In law, drafting commercial agreements, conducting exhaustive case law research, and streamlining contract review processes. In science, accelerating drug discovery, mapping protein structures, and simulating complex molecular interactions. In creative fields, rapidly prototyping visual art, video editing, and musical composition. Yet, this technology comes with significant challenges. Because generative AI models learn from human data, they can inherit human biases, produce inaccuracies known as hallucinations, and raise complex questions around copyright and data privacy. Generative AI isn't here to replace human ingenuity. It's an amplifier. It shifts our role from direct creators to directors and editors, transforming how we solve problems, build businesses, and express ideas. The future isn't about AI replacing humans. It's about humans empowered by AI, shaping what comes next. To learn more about our law firm's legal practice in the areas of technology and business, we welcome you to visit our website. Thank you.